everybody, it's Neil and welcome to my kitchen. I hate the way the light reflects off my glasses, but here we go. I got this spray bottle and I'm hoping that this is gonna work pretty good here for oil, but let's check this thing out. I wanna show it to you. It was one of the least expensive ones I could find on Amazon, like, I don't know, under $20, might have even been half that, I have no idea. This is the barcode thingy from it, if that means anything to you. I guess it's by 304 is maybe the brand, and it holds 100 milliliters of oil. So let's see what comes in the box. We'll check it out. So here we get a little funnel to fill it. And nothing else in the box except this right here. And then this is the bottle and the sprayer. Oops. Dropped the instructions, but I'll show you here what it looks like. So this is the instructions here. If you need to see it, pause it and zoom in, I guess. Here's the other side of it. Looks pretty straightforward. You kind of open it up here. See, step one, unscrew it. Step two would be to fill it up. I don't have any oil in my house. Can you believe that? How do I not have any oil? And I'm afraid if I put water in it, it'll just screw it up. And then you just get to spray it like that as you go. So, seems kind of cool. I mean, I've seen some other ones where you actually pump it and it builds up pressure, but this one here just seems super simple and just put it in and spray. So, I don't see any reason why not to have something as simple as this, and I'll be using this, and it looks super easy to push down. The pumper works great. Actually, what the heck, I'll fill it with some water. I don't need to use the funnel. Okay, so we got some water in there now. And here we go. See, it puts out a little mist of water, which I guess would be oil, but feels good. I should just take this thing to the beach. You can sell these things at the beach for 30 bucks each to these people out there. But this is awesome. So just a little spritz and it's ready to go. So definitely like this thing. It's by 304 spray bottle. Actually, I might just even use it for the water when it's so hot outside. Although here it's so humid, it might not be too fun. But you get the idea, that's how it works. The oil sprayer, and thumbs up for me. Links in the description, like this video, and subscribe to my channel. And I'll be back with some other reviews soon. Thanks, bye.